rumbling through Minnesota's North Woods. A fleet of ore cars make their way to and from the mines of the Missabe Range. Some trains carry raw ore to a pelletizer plant. Others haul loads of limestone. Still others are laden with the hot commodity of taconite pellets, bound for the docks of Duluth or Two Harbors along the shore of Lake Superior. Welcome to Minnesota's Iron Range. In this two-part series, we will explore the former Duluth, Missabe, and Iron Range between the mines near Virginia and the docks at Duluth and Two Harbors. Owned and operated today by the CN Railway, the historic lines of the DM&IR still play a vital role in transporting taconite between the mines and Great Lakes freighters bound for steel mills on the lower Great Lakes. In Part 1, we will cover the Iron Range sub, which feeds the CN dock at Two Harbors. The majority of traffic is taconite pellets from U.S. Steel's Mintag plant near Mountain Iron. Loaded trains head south over the subdivision, while empties return north. Newly rebuilt GE AC-44C6Ms by Wabtec are the current power for these trains, while mixed freights can still be found with vintage EMDs, such as these former Southern Pacific tunnel motors. We will see the impressive ore docks at Two Harbors, and some of the equally impressive lake boats that load here. And we will take a look at the North Shore Scenic Railroad, which operates on the old DM&IR track between Duluth and Two Harbors. Join us for Minnesota's Iron Range Part 1, the Iron Range Sub.